here's this week's featured comments. Make sure you hit that bell so you can get featured here. Today we're doing hair, just a nice little simple pony, how I do it with my baby hairs as well. Welcome to my channel, it's Iesha B. I'm doing a voiceover because Ayana was in the background making a whole bunch of noise. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe on this video right now. Get it out the way and we'll start the hair. I am real sucky at parting, and right here I kind of realized I wanted to change where I was at. So I'm gonna, be digging in my part over and over again, like, I don't know if I like it. But when I know I want to do something sleek, I try to get my part as crisp as I can, and I comb down where the part is, all the hair that's leading from it, so that it could look as flat as it possibly can, especially because this is off my wet hair, like I had just washed it. Well, I put conditioner in it, and I'm trying to slick it down into a ponytail with curls in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and brush all the way through, and I'm going to gradually start to put gel through it. I use the Styler gel, the olive oil one, and it's pretty good. It is kind of hard still, like all other gels, but it doesn't leave my hair with like a weird residue, so that's why I still just rock out with it. But I'm going to use it all over and kind of, comb it through or brush it through as much as I feel like I need to without putting any on my ponytail part, because I don't want that hair to get crunchy. Then I realized I kind of wanted my part to be a little bit more over, so I'm going to adjust that and get it to where I want it to go. Always add the gel gradually, because once you put too much, it cannot go back, honey. You can't take it back. Now I'm going to go ahead and start doing my baby hairs. I like to comb out the hair after the fact, after I slick everything down and figure out how much pieces I need. And I've actually been using my Styler gel for my edges lately because it keeps the hold for way longer than I ever expected it to. Like, it does it on my regular hair, but for some reason I thought it wouldn't do it on my edges. I don't know why. But it's been my move lately is to just slick my edges down with it. I think when I do my hair the next time and like any type of baby hair related thing, I'm going to use the gel that I used before for my edges and then just put the Styler on top just for like extra hold, because doing it with just the Styler is hella slippery. Like, the hair was moving all over the place and I kept having to readjust it back into the spot I wanted it to go because it was just like watery. But yeah, that's just what I've been doing lately. If people don't really like that, if you haven't tried it or thought of it, give it a try and see if it makes a difference for you, because I did not expect it to actually work that well. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep going. I wanted y'all to go ahead and drop some purple hearts if you made it this far through my video, because I'm about to put on a good little announcement in a moment. Drop them hearts now. So if you made it this far, I really appreciate you. I threw in my little clips, made it look like a little bit of a moment. Threw on my eyebrows and my little fresh face since I gotta wear a mask everywhere. And this is the finished look. I just like to do my hair in a quick little pony and keep it pushing. If you want to see more natural looks, please go ahead and comment down below what you would like to see. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.